So, guess what today's topic is? Pieces of yellow paper. No. Actually. This. Ooh, nice focus. Focus, you motherfucker. So there we go. It's an Oracle wireless speaker. There's no model number anywhere on it, which is odd. All of the place where you would ordinarily find things like FCC compliance information and all that kind of stuff, completely lacking. There's even a spot where there'd be a little tag or a sticker printed on there or something. Nothing. And even the printing on the one side that is printed, so screen, it's really not the kind of thing you would find on a product that was being sold in stores to ordinary consumers. Otherwise, the web address would not be like that, and it would not be what it is. I don't get it, but it's neither here nor there. It's about 5 inches that way by like 2.5 inches that way by 1.5 inches that way. Small speaker on both sides. Match on that side. There's a micro USB video style there for power jack, DC 5 volt in. You can see if that wasn't such a shit focus. And a standard 3.5 millimeter audio in jack, or aux cord jack as everyone says these days, much to my dismay. On the other side there's a power button. Top there's nothing. On the bottom there is the patch for the 3 AA batteries it takes. Yes, it's a portable speaker, wireless speaker, that not only does it have the standard, presumably rechargeable port for the micro USB, but it takes 3 AA's. So why, you may ask? Does it need both? Does it run one or the other? There's certainly no switch anywhere to go between them. Of course, that doesn't necessarily rule that out. So it's actually losing batteries in it. Thank you to Ocho from Harvard Square for providing me with these batteries. It was super kind of him. We wanted to use something to make sound for a while so we could listen to some music, and he got the batteries without my even asking. And I think I got way better into the deal on that one, but he was happy to do it. So there we go. They're in. Well, you know what? We'll plug it into our micro USB as well, although it will turn on with the batteries. I'll tell you right now, they do the same thing. It's redundant. The 2 power sources, they're redundant. You don't need to have both on for it to work. You can have no batteries in it and just plugged in and have it work. You can have not plugged in, just batteries, or you can have both in and it works. I imagine in the state where there's batteries in and it's plugged in, it probably defaults to running on the power here. So anyway, turn it on. Okay, cool. Now I've got some royalty-free music here to play so you can hear it. It's through the 2 different ways it works, wired and wireless. Obviously you're going to hear the music through the filter of how you're watching this right now, which is going to make it sound like crap no matter what. So, bearing that in mind, and the fact that it renders this whole venture utterly fruitless, let's carry on. This is obviously with it plugged in, okay? Here we go. Coming up. Really? Good time to screw with my phone. Cool.
What we do here is go back.
So you could, when that was up all the way, you could see the cones on the speakers actually moving a little bit. It creates a fair amount of sound for such a little thing, I gotta say. I think, we're so used to like super small portable speakers, and they tend to make them as small as they possibly can, that there's no room left on them for any kind of resonance, like a box around the speaker to create any kind of increase in volume, I guess. I don't know. I'm not an audio engineer, so anyway, this seems to make a lot of noise it seems to make a lot of sound for something that is the size of the speakers. It seems a very modest construction. So now let's try it in the wireless mode. Unplug this and unplug this just for. It makes literally no difference, but I'm taking it out just for ease. Taking that out of there. Nope, stop that.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, now, let me tell you right now that this phone has, the Bluetooth is not turned on, okay? The Wi-Fi isn't even turned on. There's nothing turned on this phone that could send any kind of signal out of it to any other sort of electronic device. Like, there's no wireless, there's no cell service, there's no Bluetooth, there's no NFC, there's no infrared, there's nothing on here, okay? So, nothing at all. That being said, just for fun, right above my thumb is where the slot for the speaker for this phone is. And you know that because holy crap, really?
What we do here is go back.
Oh god. Wow, I'm doing well so far. Sorry.
What we do here is go back.
Wow, nice. Oops.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink?
Good God. Okay, I'm going to try not to press the wrong thing yet again. So, point being, that's definitely the speaker, right? Okay, well. I'm going to lay this on top of this speaker. Making sure the volume's up for a moment. I want you to experience that again. All the way up. So, that's pretty damn neat, I think. Apparently, this is some sort of resonator speaker or resonant speaker, and you need to have the point of music, the source point of the music, the speaker on the phone, over a certain spot on the top of the speaker. Some phones it's way more touchy than others. My daughter's iPhone 6, I started it up, dropped it on top of the thing, and it immediately worked, like, no matter what. Other phones, I've had to move around a little bit. I figured out that, like, which corner of it seems like this corner is the one that is where the sound needs to be going. So I just turned the phone so that works. And I haven't had a phone not work yet. Like, I haven't had a phone that I couldn't get on there because I was trying to feel, but that is pretty damn neat in my book. I mean, there's no real practical advantage over having a Bluetooth or a wired plug-in speaker. I mean, I can't imagine an application where that would be so much more useful. So, But it's a neat novelty. Maybe if these had been out maybe like 10 years before Bluetooth speakers got cheap and common, they could have sold a lot of them. But I doubt they'll ever get off the ground. Now I believe this is maybe not a prototype, but a sample or something like that I ended up with. So yeah, that's it. That's the resonator speaker. I believe it is. I'll use it. It'll get some use. I don't actually currently have a decent portable speaker of any kind, so this is going to be it. Plugged, unplugged, or otherwise. What actually will be kind of neat is I can, if someone says, "Oh, can I hook my phone up to your speaker, your Bluetooth speaker there?" I'll say, "Hey, yeah, go for it. I'll stop playing what I'm listening to, and you can put on some stuff. Sure, go ahead." And and they won't be able to find it because obviously there's no Bluetooth signal from it, so I can stay DJing. Hey, Mr. DJ. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for walking through this garden of knowledge with me. Good Lord. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Maybe I can dig up another piece of amazing technology to look at maybe tomorrow, but perhaps like the brand new model of a flagship phone company like this. Or just a teaser. Oh yeah, that's some hot shit right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Thanks.